Hi guys, welcome to my channel and this is Arvindo classes. Today our topic is about pancreas. We are very interested about it. Let us see. As you are seeing that this is the structure of pancreas and let us see the parts of pancreas. This is the tail part, pancreatic duct, lobules, these are lobules and this is the body, this is the body and this is the head part, and some of the parts which are beside, which are attached to the pancreas, they are gallbladder, common bile duct. What is meant by common bile duct? As you have seen here, common means there is a similarity between something. What is the similarity? What is the common thing for it? The common hepatic duct and the cystic duct are both are joining here, and the joining of both two ducts are called as common bile duct, and this is axillary pancreatic duct. This is called the duodenal papillae. This is the duodenum. Let us see how the pancreas works and where it is located. Yeah, where it is located. It is located in the abdominal cavity behind the stomach. Oh my god, do you know how many functions pancreas is going to do? Let us see. Actually, pancreas is a mixed gland. Its function is digestion of food and maintenance of blood glucose level. How it is going to digest the food and how it is going to maintain blood glucose level? OMG, what's going to happening? In the small part, how many functions are going to happen? Let us see about. Let us see how they are going to happen. Here you can see exocrine gland, endocrine gland. Digestion of food is occurred by the exocrine glands. They will secrete the enzymes. The enzymes will help for the digestion of food. And how the enzyme was going to secrete, how it's going to happen, let us see. First of all, when we are taking the food, after some time it will enters into the stomach, right? Whenever it enters into the stomach, the body neuron system, the body nervous system will activate the enzymes by transferring the electrical signals for what? To the pancreas. It will activate the pancreas. It will do the pancreas to secrete the enzymes, and this is the enzyme which help for the digestion of food. Okay, next let us see what are the endocrine hormones which are helpful for the maintenance of blood glucose level. They are nothing but insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon, they are endocrine glands. They are secreted from endocrine glands and they are called hormones. And what insulin glucagon are going to do? They are actually, whenever they are released from the pancreas, they are going to circulate in the bloodstream. And they will activate the cells to utilize the glucose. Pancreatic juice, actually pancreas will secrete pancreatic juice, right? Pancreatic. This pancreatic juice contains bicarbonates. What is the function of bicarbonates? It will neutralize the acidity. Whenever chyme enters into the stomach, the acidity in the chyme, our stomach will produce the HCl, the acid enzyme, which help for the neutralization of the food. When it will neutralize the acidity, the pancreatic juice will help for the neutralizing of acidity. And the enzymes which were produced by the pancreas was going to break carbohydrates, proteins, and digestion of food. It is done by breaking of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. And actually, it is too important to have a firm understanding of how your pancreas works so that you can recognize and address problem when they are arises. And actually, our pancreas, I have already told that pancreas is composed of exo and endocrine glands. First, we have to know from where insulin and glucagon are going to secrete. Okay guys, insulin and glucagon, they are secreted from the islets of Langerhans. These are the cells present in the pancreas. Now we are going to see the endocrine gland from which the digestive enzymes are going to release. This is the exocrine cells. These are the exocrine cells. These are present over here. If we take a small part and if we see under the microscope, we will notice all these cells. The digestive cells are produced from that of the pancreatic acinar cells. These are the pancreatic acinar cells. These are the central acinar cells. These are the intercalated duct. And here you can see the islets of Langerhans, and here you can see this is present below the capillaries. This, okay. When we come to the function of insulin and glucagon, insulin help for the production of glucose from the glycogen, and it helps. It actually, insulin is a key to open up the cells in the body to allow the glucose to be used as an enzyme source. Insulin helps in the storage of glycogen in the liver, and it helps for the body cells to use glycogen. To use glucose. And glycogen helps if there is an excess of glucose in the body. It will convert the glucose to glycogen and will helps in the storage of the store in the liver. Here we can observe some of the illnesses by the dysfunction of the pancreas. They are diabetes. This is a common thing we are seeing in everyone. Pancreatitis, pancreatic cancer, and cystic fibrosis. Hi guys, this is the end of our channel, and the next class we are going to discuss about the diseases and the autoimmune disorders which are occurred due to the pancreas dysfunctioning. Okay, subscribe to my channel and share and like my posts.